Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off comments on Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Choose the post you want to turn off comments. Now tap on the three-dot icon from the top right of your post. Then tap on Turn Off Commenting from the menu. And you will turn off comments on that post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to turn off comments on your Instagram posts. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.